destinations like Portofino, Cinque Terre, Saint-Tropez, and the Grand Prix. How many cruises take you there? 0. Yachts take you there. We get private access to the most exclusive ports in the Mediterranean. Today we're on the Italian Riviera, tomorrow we're on the French Riviera. Can't get better than that.
And we've been swimming off the back of the yacht just like it was our own boat. We get to see places that all the celebrities hang out, and someone on a normal vacation would not be able to go.
The Grand Prix is the biggest racing event in the entire world.
It's on everybody's bucket list, and Windstar takes you there, and we've got tickets.
One.